Oh my gosh. I quite like them. Good morning, how you doing? I've just come into the living room to chat to you for a minute because the kitchen is drowned out by the sound of Leo watching one of his delightful YouTube channels. If you know, you know. So the only way I was going to be able to talk to you with you understanding anything I'm saying is by coming in here. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just gonna take you along with me for the morning, so it'll be a bit of a spend the morning with me. Half the morning's pretty much done already, as you've seen. The boys are just in there having breakfast. I think it's about 7:45 now, so when they're finished in a second, it'll be time to go upstairs and get dressed. It is a school day, so I'll need to get my eldest in his uniform and ready for school, and get my youngest dressed as well, and then we'll have to get ready for the school run. After the school run, our agenda today for me and Cooper is we're going to go see some friends and meet them for coffee. Some of my, a couple of my best friends, one of whom has just had a baby and one of whom is about to have a baby. So that is our plan straight after the school run, and then we'll come back home and I'm going to share with you my first ever AliExpress haul. I have seen people talk about AliExpress all over YouTube, Instagram, and I just had to try it for myself. So I've got some dupes and tried some interesting things, and it's a bit of a mixed review. So stick around for that. I'm gonna do that when we get home from our coffee date. Obviously I am not coffee date ready at all. Yeah, I'm gonna go hurry the boys up and get them upstairs and get them dressed. Cooper is down for his nap. As you saw, he just had his lunch and then he sleeps straight after his lunch. It is 18 minutes past 12. And yeah, that was our morning. We've had a really nice chilled morning, to be honest. I haven't been feeling quite myself the last few days. So today and yesterday, I've been taking it really easy. I'll talk to you more about that in a minute because I know you want to see what I got from AliExpress and I want to show you too. So guys, I have never ordered from AliExpress before, but I've heard some good things. I've heard that they do some great dupes, however you pronounce it, that everything's a bargain. So I'm going to get up how much everything cost as well. I ordered this all on the app. They have an app which is just as dangerous as it is handy. So I only got stuff for the kids. I didn't get anything for myself. I thought I'll test it out on the kids and see what I think. Some of the things I'm really chuffed with, some of the things not so chuffed with. I'm gonna leave, I got Cooper, I got my toddler some New Balance dupes. I didn't get them for my eldest because I thought I'll just get them for Coopy, see if they're any good. And if they are, I can always order some more. I'm gonna leave those for last because yeah, that answers your question about whether the dupes are as good as people say they are. What I'll start with is something I'm actually quite excited about. So it is both of my son's birthdays next week. There's 2 days between their birthdays. I know, it wasn't planned, trust me. And I searched Pokemon because my eldest loves Pokemon, and there was a ton of stuff on there. I felt like, you know when you're on holiday and you go into one of those like random junk shops that's just full of like fake merch? I felt like it was like that walking into one of those stores. There was a lot to be fair. And the best thing I saw by far that he would love was a Pokemon dobble. I don't know if you guys play dobble, but it is such a good little card game. It's a really easy little card game, a bit like Snap, but better. Really hard to explain, but great to have in your handbag. I love to take it on holiday with us and just keep it in my bag for when we're waiting for dinner and things like that. So anyway, he knows how to play dobble. He really likes it. He's got the Avengers one and the original one. And they had a Pokemon one. Now this, I mean, I'm not sure if this is official merch because I'm not sure that there is a Pokemon dobble. I'm going to be honest with you. Although the instructions are all in Japanese. So maybe it is proper merch, but just not available in the UK. I don't know. I'm not questioning it, but it comes in a proper little tin, like Dobble normally does. And let's see what the cards are like. They look fine. Yeah, I mean the pictures are clear, and that all looks fine to me. Basically, the idea with Dobble is that every 2 cards has one picture that matches, and you have to find the matching picture. I mean, I'm going to find this impossible because I don't know any of the names of any of these. But Leo and his dad certainly will. That was a little birthday present. And this cost £4.26, which is super cheap. I think Dobble is, I think it's like £10, maybe a little bit more. So that's really, really cheap. So first thing, pretty chuffed with. I also got something for my youngest, because obviously it's both of their birthdays. He is obsessed with Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse. He loves watching it. If you know, you know. You're singing that theme tune right now, if you know it. And I wanted to get him, he loves little figures. He's getting into more sort of mature toys now, and he loves to, you know, stand up little figures and things like that. So I thought I'll get him some Mickey Mouse figures. They ain't cheap. They ain't cheap. I've looked here, there, and everywhere, and I cannot justify spending like £20 on a few Mickey Mouse figures for my 2-year-old. But they have them on AliExpress. I think they actually call them cake toppers. They're just figures. And there's a big old set in here. There is a fair few in here. They were £1.93. I am not even kidding you. And let's have a look to see how they actually are. I mean, it's a random assortment. The paintwork is a little questionable, but can we just remind ourselves it costs £1.93 for 6, and he's 2. so won't be checking out the paintwork too carefully. It comes with a couple of Mickeys. Do they stand up? They stand up. Why is that one only on one foot? So 2 Mickeys, a Goofy, 2 Minis, and a Donald. £1.90. Okay. Nope. He's 2, and he'll enjoy looking at them and putting them in places that they shouldn't be, which is a favourite thing to do. So far, so good. Happy with both of those first 2 purchases. Okay, this one I haven't opened yet. It's still in the bag, but I burst out laughing when I saw it because I can see it through the bag. Okay, so Leo is equally obsessed with Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda Mandalorian, very heavy in the house right now. There was a Baby Yoda t-shirt for £2.50. £2.50, absolute bargain. So I thought 100% worth the risk. Might be hard to see on camera, but I don't know about this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No. I don't know what to say. I don't know where to start. Guys, what is this fabric? It's like silk, like a swimming costume, silky fabric with a very, very pixelated picture of Baby Yoda on the front and the back. Honestly feels like it's, you know, it makes my skin feel funny when I'm touching it. I cannot give him this. I cannot. I feel bad because he's going to the charity shop and I'm sorry, but I cannot keep you. Look at the absolute shine on that. You win some, you lose some, is what we're learning about this haul right now. Let's move on to a positive. I got 2 t-shirts for Cooper. Now, how much were these? One was £1.47 and one was £1.86. No idea why, but I actually love them. So here they are. They've got like a, I want to say embossed, is that the right word? Because he's like coming out, an embossed teddy bear. Tell me if I'm making no sense, but I feel like that's the right word to describe. I've got a brown one with a cute little teddy bear thing on it, and I got it in black as well, again with the sticky out 3D teddy bear on there. I thought they were really cute for like, yeah, like £1 or something each. And they've redeemed themselves here, AliExpress, because they're really thick, really nice quality fabric. Not shiny, not reminding me of swimwear in the slightest. Very much win some, lose some here, very much. And that means all we have left are the dupes. So, a friend of mine got these for her little boy. You might follow her, Gillian Truisha. She got them for her little boy. And I said, you need to send me the link, I'm gonna try them. Because they looked really good. So they are obviously New Balance dupes. I mean, they're not gonna say that, but you'll see in a minute, they obviously are. New Balance trainers obviously are not cheap. These little things cost me £9.22. A lot less than a pair of New Balance. And here they are. I quite like them. I mean, the nerve. It reminds me of when you go into Aldi and you see like they've got like Nutella in the same packet, but they call it Nakota. The same logo and everything. You know, when it's like, how do they get away with that? Similar situation. We've got the A and a B instead of an N and a B. Instead of New Balance, we've got New Fashion. Still got an N on the side, but they've done a cheeky little line there, I guess, to get away with it. The colours are very New Balance. It's not bad quality. It is not bad quality for a toddler shoe. They don't look waterproof. I would not wear these anywhere that might have puddles. You know what? I'm not disappointed with them. I like the little pull thing as well to tighten them. That's quite cool. I don't know if it's £9 well spent, but I'm happy with spending £9 on them. There you go. Proof that some of the dupes are okay. I can't guarantee that any of them will be, but these, not bad. I'll pop some links in the description box for the things that I bought. I don't know if you're going to want a link for this. I'll leave that one out. I could have got more, but obviously it was my first time and I didn't know what to expect, so I kept it minimal. But maybe I'll do another one. Thank you for watching today's video, spending the morning with me and watching my first AliExpress haul. Like I said a minute ago, I've not quite been myself the past couple of days. I'm very honest on here about, you know, my mental health and when I feel good and when I feel bad. It's something I've struggled with since having children. I just go through like peaks and troughs. And yeah, I guess this weekend was a bit of a trough. But me and Clint are really good at talking about it and trying to work out why. He can always tell when I'm not myself, and then we'll try and talk about it and work out what like the catalyst is. And I think it's a bit of a Easter holiday burnout. You know, having the 2-week holidays with the boys, we were busy. Like, we did something every day, which I'm glad of because Leo had a great holiday, but it was a lot. Plus I had a lot of work on. I've got a lot of work coming up, which I am very, very thankful for, but I do stress about it and I overthink it and I worry about it. So I think it was about a bit of that. My brain was just very, very loud. It's the best way to describe it. Anyone who has like anxiety will understand. Your brain can get very loud and like all-encompassing, and it's hard to focus on anything else. You literally just want to like put your head under a cover and just be peaceful. But yesterday I like had a mum day off and Clint was completely in charge and did everything. He's great. I had a long sleep and I feel much better today already. Anyway, I need to go and make myself some lunch now while Cooper's asleep. But thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I will see you in my next one in a couple of days. Love you very much.